Hi guys, welcome on World Toys channel. Today you will see ice cream truck from Play-Doh Town collection. As you can see, this ice cream truck looks delicious. We have here a lot of forms, including these ice cream forms for ice creams like this, the waffle forms, and accessories. We can make a lot of delicious accessories for our ice creams. Look. We also have this cute ice cream on top, and this is of course another form for our ice creams. First we will take care of our ice cream man, the salesman. We will make him some hair. The hair are ready. We also have some forms here, so we will make him this bow. And now he is ready for work. We will make some ice creams. First we have to place our forms inside this plate and place it inside our truck. Now we have to put some Play-Doh and squeeze our top ice cream. Our ice cream is ready. It looks delicious. And now we will add some more sweets to it, like strawberry. We have here hearts and flowers, so you can have a lot of fun with this set. So this ice cream is almost ready. We will make some waffles for it using the wheels of our car. You have to drive over this Play-Doh a couple times and you will make this beautiful waffle for your ice cream. Now just place the waffle over your ice cream. Now we will make another ice cream using this form. We have to place the Play-Doh and close it. And look, it looks really delicious. Now we can go and sell our ice cream. We saw a lot of sets with ice creams from Play-Doh, but this one is something new. I'm sure you will love it. And if you want to see more videos where we are reviewing the Play-Doh Town series, go to our channel World Toys.